Hello, guys. Good afternoon. How are you today? You're welcome to the episode 86 of our FOREX LIGHT sessions. I hope you guys enjoyed the previous episode 85, right? Let me know in the chat what you remembered from that episode. Let's have on the chat what you remembered from the episode 86, 85. Because this episode 86 is going to be even more incredible. It's going to be even more interesting. It's been an exciting day so far in the Forex environment. It's been an exciting day so far, and we've had some powerful, sweet moves from the market already. I just cleared my chat, so before I remember that I shouldn't have, so I can show you guys the moves that have happened so far. But it's all right. It's all good. Let's start a new chart. Let's start a new move and let's see what we can bring out of it. You guys know what we do. It's all about the channel. You guys know we trade the channel strategy on this session. And why? Because it is quite simple. It's quite simple to use, and ultimately it works. That is the most important thing. It works. The channel strategy works like magic. It works. It works. It works like magic. I thought of something earlier when I was doing my zones. Let me confirm what I thought of because it's quite a big deal. And if I really made a mistake, then the earlier I resolve it, the better. If I really made a mistake, the earlier it resolved, the better. Just want to quickly check up my zones if they are accurate as I expect them to be, if they are as smooth as I expect them to be. Okay, just gonna quickly look at that. Okay, I think they're good. I think they are good. They're all right. Okay, good. I just have to quickly check on that because I had a thought earlier. Because interestingly, these new zones that I marked out, zones are quite incredible things. Zones are quite incredible things. Zones that I had on my previous markup chart, you know, they've been very efficient. Like they are always always been respected, and it's quite incredible. Look at just now, this is just coming into the zone and respecting it incredibly well. Now let's see my new chart. And I hope the zones are also like that. Okay. Well, as you can see, there's no zone in this area. The market has respected it numerous times. And unfortunately or unfortunately, the zone that I actually drew, market is not even noticing it. Like it's like it's no big deal. Just getting crossed right, left, center, and yeah, that's the thing about drawing zones. You know, there's really no. It's okay. Let me not say there's really no, but it's you may not always get the perfect zone. You do not always get the perfect zone. So what you need to get is a zone that works. So far it works. So far it gives you something, then you can work with it. So provided it works and gives you something, then you can work with it. Now there's a likelihood that I got this zone on a higher time frame. That's what I'm thinking right now. Let me see. Let me do a quick checkup on that zone and see if it was on a higher time frame because I love the zones I did there. So they always be respected, unlike the ones I just did from the 4 hour time frame. So give me 1 minute. Let me quickly look up on that. Or is it a 1 hour time zone? Or was it a 1 hour time zone? 1 hour time frame zones? Were they 1 hour time frame zones? Okay. Okay, okay. I think they are also 4 hour time frame zones actually, from what I'm seeing. They also seem to be from the 4 hour time zone. I think. Guess let me see. Let's see the daily and see how it looks like on the daily. That will basically inform us. Oh, okay. I don't think I got them from this. I do not think I got them from this. Yeah. Okay, good. So they were also gotten from the right. They were also gotten from the 4 hour time frame because they seem so much better than my museums. But I guess that's not the best mindset to have. I shouldn't have a mindset like that. I shouldn't have such a mindset. My zones are incredible. My zones are really good. My zones are very profitable for me, and they make me, they improve my entry so much, so much, so much. The zones that I just did are incredible zones, and they're gonna make us a lot of money. They're gonna make us what? A lot of money. Okay, let's quickly do what we do, just to do a quick top-down analysis from the monthly time frame down all the way to the daily time frame. As you know, as usual, we do the zone. Right now, the price is close to the top level, to the top resistance. So let's respect that when we're doing with our channel. Okay, so this is our channel. We're gonna respect the level where the market is close to for our channels. Okay, right now the market is close to the similarly is also close to the top level on this one. So I'm also gonna respect. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Can I use this? Yeah, let's use this. Let's use this. So this is our channel for that. Market has made contact with the top level. And we expect to move to the downside at least to this level. But that's just a bias, nothing so serious. We won't be taking any trades based on that. We will not be taking any trades based on that alone. Okay, market is close to the lower side on this one, so our zone will be with respect to the lower side. Our zone will be with respect to the lower side. Okay, if you notice something on this one, I'm not respecting the current candle. I'm not respecting the current candle because it's possibly be a breakout candle. So I don't want it to influence the channel too much. The channel has to be accurate. Has to be as accurate as possible. That's the only time it will serve us, or else it's gonna mislead us and make us lose money. Our channels need to be as accurate as possible. So accuracy is very key. Accuracy is very, very key for our channels. So have to put that there. Other cases where, due to the inaccuracy of channel, we end up losing, setting our stop loss and at the wrong spot, and of course, you lose money when that happens. It's as simple as that. You lose money when that happens. So similarly, the price right now is closer to the lower resistance. So that is what I'm going to support. I don't want to respect the current candle. So I'm working with the lowest candle before the current candle. That's what we're working with. Okay, so this is our channel for this. Well, I don't want it to be all over the place. I want a level of respect, level of cleanliness for our channels. I desire a level of cleanliness for our channels. Okay, okay. This is the correct eye, but doesn't respect the levels before. So this would be our channel for the 4 hour time frame. So it has made contact with the lower level of the channel. So we expect a buy. In fact, I'm gonna take a buy execution right away for this trade. Our stop loss will be below this. Stop loss ideally should be below this MA. But that's a lot of that's 125 pip stop loss. That's too much. Well, not too much, but that doesn't suit what I want to do. So let's see if I can work with this. One, two. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's what we have. It's an execution anyway. And take profit will be this level. Take profit will be this level. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth touch. The fifth touch. Okay, so this will be our take profit for this trade. 1:2 risk reward ratio. Fair enough. So I'm doing the execution right away, and it's gonna be, of course, due to it's a 4 hour time frame trade. So the lot size is going to be on the low end. Lot sizing will be on the low end as we do. Of course, not below what we normally do, but not above what we normally do. That's what I mean by stop loss being lot size being on the low end. Okay, good. 0.10 market execution. Stop loss one. Right? Why? Okay, that's the current price. Okay, good. Stop loss 1969.91. Take profit 2008.48. Buy market. I'm in a trade. Yeah, it's not the best of trades, but I'm seeing something. This trade has something. That's some solid things in support of it. You can see there's this channel in support of that, and then it also has this channel in support of it as well. So on two channels, it has some really good. In fact, this trade actually has some really good, some really good confluences. It's also close to the, well, not contact yet. I can't really use that. Not contact yet, so I cannot really use that. But yeah, it's a trade that I'm okay with using. Although this channel is a sell channel, and it's likely that the market is ready to sell, to break the channel and sell. But if that happens, then that's fine. We'll ride that wave. We'll ride that wave if it happens. But until then, we're taking this trade and seeing where it takes us. So moving on to the next time frame, the 1 hour time frame. What do you have to offer us? 1 hour. Price is also close to the lower, to the supports, to the lower channels. So how do I manage that? Okay. This this is the channel mm, that is respecting that at this time. Okay, this is the channel respecting that. This is the channel respecting that. And I want my channels as clean as possible. I want my channels as clean as possible. I want my channels as clean as possible. Okay. All right, so it failed to close below this channel. Yes, it broke out of it, but it came back in before the hour closed. So let's see what the second candle does. That will also give us a bit of a. Oh, interestingly, this actually matches to an extent. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So let's see what happens. But based on this channel, it's also at the lower level, and a buy seems to be in order. By all indications, a buy is in order, except the sellers are really crazy and they're ready to burn some money. Anyway, the sellers came with the news, so the news can still continue to pump that all the way to start the sell move. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens between now and close of business today. But I would like to see a buy. I would like to see a buy because I'm already in the trade. So once I see a buy confirmation, I can stack up on this trade and increase my positions. Once I see a buy confirmation, I can stack up on this trade and increase my positions. Okay. The price is also similarly close to the lower level. So I'm going to be I would have to respect that. I would do it. I would have to respect that. I will have to respect that. Okay. So on the for the 15-minute channel, for our 15-minute channel, it has made contact to the lower level and give us an engulfing candle, which is a buy candle formation. Now it's doing a bit of pullback to get momentum before it moves on. And the pullback has already done about 60% pullback already. It has done about 60% pullback already. Let's see how far it goes before it decides to move. Let's see how far it goes before it decides to move in our direction. Okay, that is so. Similarly, our target will be around this area for that zone. Then for let's see what our 5 minute channel is telling us. So on the 5 minutes, our channel for 5 minutes, similarly, okay, looks close to it's basically at the middle. It's basically at the middle. It's difficult to judge if it's okay. Let's see. I'll see. I'll see. I'll try and judge which one it's close to. If it's close to the upper level. Anyway, I've been doing a lot of lower levels, so I think an upper level channel is in order. But that is a channel that is using the upper level as a reference point. I think that is in order. Yeah, so it's on the upper level. Good. So this is setting up a channel. This is setting up a bullish channel. Setting up a bullish channel. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that plays out. Let's see how that is going to play out. So respected these. It could calm down trying to make another contact with this channel, but I don't think these two guys will allow it to cross them. So it probably won't get so far before giving us a another buy signal. So once I see a buy signal at these levels, I'll stack up on this trade and increase my buy positions. Once I see a buy signal, I will increase my position slightly And then once I see a breakout of this channel to the upside, then I'll stack on this trade. I will stack up. In fact, I will throw in all my lot size in this trade. Yeah, that's it. You know, my coach used to say that when you win, um, when you win your analysis, how much do you win? And when you lose your analysis, how much do you lose? You know, when I win on my analysis, I need to win enough. I need to win. I need to grow my account. And when I lose my analysis, then I know it is what it is. There's always that in trading. The losing is a part of trading. So when you lose, it's not really much of a big deal. Losing is not so much of a big deal. Okay, so on the 1 minute channel, we have this. It's close to the upper level, so I'm respecting the upper level for that because it's closer to the upper level. I have to respect upper level, and this is showing us a bullish channel. It's giving us a bullish channel. So let's see, if it breaks out to the top, then that's another. That's okay. That's already broken out to the top. So let's see if we'll get a retest, and with the retest, let's see if we will get a bullish signal candle that's going to make us want to add to our positions for this trade. Okay, so this is the channel that I'm going that they're gonna make me stack up on this trade and trade my full lot size. This channel is gonna make me throw in my lot size into this trade. I'm stacking with this channel. I'm stacking with this channel. I'm identifying the channels that I'll be stacking with, and channels that I'll take profit with. I'm gonna take some profit with this channel. Okay, I think let's see how this plays out. Let's see how this plays out. So I'm gonna set my alert so I can go do other things. Okay, let me just set. Okay, the trade is already set. We already have my our overall take profit and our overall stop loss. So depending on what happens, of course, I wouldn't be using the stop loss when I'm taking trades on this 1 minute and 5 minutes with these channels. No, it's not. That doesn't make any sense. I will surely be doing stop losses that will respect these channels. For example, a trade from this will have my stop loss at this point. My take profit then could go all the way or just target this because this is my target channel. That's 7 risk reward ratio. Good enough. And similarly, my trades from here will respect this stop loss depending on what happens, depending on what the market shows gives to us. And then I take profit. Could do both these or I even go all the way. We could go all the way. Okay, of course, we'll have some of our take profit will be around there, and some will go all the way, all the way, all the way, all the way. So that's what we're looking out for on this. That's what we're looking out for on this one. Let's see what happens in the next few minutes. Let's see what the market prints for us. That is gonna influence what we do on this one going forward. So I hope you've gotten some value. I hope this was simple enough because that's the idea. I want every one of you to be able to do this. And the only way you can get to this level is to practice, practice, practice. Now, all I'm doing is the channel strategy, channel. So all you need to do is to practice how to spot channels and how to draw them out, and you will see it play out again and again and again and again. you know, there was a time when I remember when I the first time I back tested channel strategy. Like that was about a year ago. Yeah, okay, maybe not up to a year. This is April. Yeah, not up to a year, but almost a year ago. Was incredible. I think I had like 90% win ratio then, and it was so like it was so sweet. It was really really good. Okay, all right, guys. I think we've got what we're looking for. What's this line for crying out loud? That's one interesting channel, but it looks like an insignificant one. Hopefully, hopefully it's not one that will obstruct our move. Because hopefully there's no one that will obstruct our move. Let's try and identify that channel and what it's doing there. So 1 hour channel. What are you doing there, Mr. 1 hour channel? Okay. Oh, okay, so he's telling us that he wants to retest and then move down. 1 hour channel, please don't obstruct our move. Hmm? Do not obstruct our move. We want to make some money right now. Thank you. Okay. So I've seen one confirmation. This is a bullish engulfing candle in alignment with this upper level. So I'm going to take one more at one entry. Of course, I won't be going all in because it's not looking very clean. And there's still you can still see some kind of a stumbling block here. So I will want to see that broken before going in my full chest, and that's why I'm telling you that this is where I will add in my full lot size. Not there. This one is just to add a bit of a bit more entries, but the main stacking will commence when this level gets broken. So let's see what we can make right now. So right now, stop loss for this is 1978. 1978.26. The profits. In fact, our take profits could be at least we can have one take profit like at every level. We can have one take profit here. That's 1983.83. 1983.83. That size. Right by market. Okay. Let's do one more. These are short trades, by the way. They are not too serious. As in, the lot size for these trades are quite reasonable, so they're trades that we can afford to let go. They are trades that we can afford to let go. Okay, so the new one will have to take profit. Okay, let's do the ideal take profit for this move is this. This is the break. So the take profit will be this. Okay, and that is 1991.35. 1991.35. Okay, so this is boom, 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 boom. It's it's just ranging in that area. What are you trying to do? I don't like. It's not really moving yet. Okay, so what I would do because it's not moving again. It's not moving again. It's not moving again. It's not moving again. So I'll just hold off on the second entry until I see something interesting. Until I see something interesting, I'm gonna hold off on what I'm about on the second entry. I'm gonna hold off on it. I could do a buy stop. I could do a buy stop, but buy stop means that I would have to raise my entry to this level probably. Yeah, this level probably. I think this is the only place I would do a buy stop with. That of course it increases my risk 34 pips, which I'm not sure I'm ready for. Okay. All right. So let's see what happens. If I see a good candle, if I see a good candle, okay, it went. I think a wedge is forming. Let's trace the wedge and see what it has to offer us. Okay, looks like a triangle. So let's see, triangle is forming. Triangle is forming. Let's see what it has to offer us. If it gives us something good. Oh, if it breaks out. Let's see where it breaks out to. What is going on? Form direction. Although this triangles like this will tend to break out to the downside, but there's no guarantee. It could break out in any direction. Let's see. Only breakout, only a breakout and a close can verify anything at this point. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, let's go break to the upside. Let's see. Okay, how far in are we on the session? Okay, 31 minutes already. Wow, time flies. When you're having fun, you don't know when time goes. Like 31 minutes already. And yeah, I was thinking I was going to say like 10 minutes. Quite interesting one. Okay, I think this is breaking up. Okay, let's not preempt it. You have to let it show us something for us to make any move. Okay, all right. But if it breaks up to the upper side, my thank God my trade is ready. All I have to do is just click buy by market. I got my TP, I got my stop loss all set. Okay, buy by market, done. That is it. Told you guys. Yeah, we're making some money for ourselves right about now. We're making some money for ourselves right about now. Right about now. Right about now. Okay, that's good. That was good. That was a good one. That was a very good one. So let's move on. I think I can do more entries. Can I do my entries? Okay, I've not gotten to the ultimate targets for this move. That's okay. So this is the ultimate target for this move. Where is it again? Okay, so this is the ultimate target for this move. And that's what I'm trying to do right now. So stop loss 1978.26. Take profit 2000.91. Okay. I love this. Just do the retest. Let's see if it's come back all the way for the retest. I would love this. That entry will be so much perfect. It's much better than. So let me do my buy limit. Do my buy limit and see if I can catch a sweet entry 1980.3. No, that's 0.7. 1980.7. 2.7. 1980.7. Place. Okay, good. All right, so we have our buy limit set. If it does a retest, we're gonna catch it and ride it. We're gonna catch it and ride it to the top. More. I don't know about. Okay, that was a bit of an interruption there. I hope you guys saw the trade we just had. We just took about three trades, and right now, okay, good. We just got into about three trades, and we're ready into the first one. This is our first TP, so that will give us the win for that. I'll give us the win for that. So let's see how that plays out, guys. I'll see you in the next session. I want to believe you've got some value. Let me know in the chat if that was valuable to you, and we'll see what the results are on the episode 8C7.